So you want to succeed on Amazon. Well, in this video, we're going to be dissecting buyer mindset versus customer mindset. And we're going to be talking about the actual reason that makes Amazon so successful, being focused on their customers.
Hi, Jeff.
When you meet Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, you're immediately struck by two things. That legendary laugh and his nearly unmatched focus on customer service.
We know customers like low prices, we know customers like big selection, and we know that customers like fast delivery. And those things are going to be true 10 years from now. They're going to be true 20 years from now. So we can count on those things and we can put energy into them.
Perfectly said by my friend Jeff. Thank you so much. Let's get started. So if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society, and we help entrepreneurs, brands and businesses sell their products successfully on Amazon in the Middle East. If you want to know a little bit more about our business services and if you want to book a free consultation call with our team, then just visit our website right here. Make sure that you thumbs up this video if you like Amazon and especially if you like Jeff Bezos. In this video, we're going to be talking about two very important mindsets and psychological triggers that you can use to your potential as a seller in order to improve your sales and beat your competitors. Now, I started in the beginning of the video saying the difference between a buyer mindset and a customer mindset. Obviously, as a seller or a buyer yourself, it would be kind of hard to switch to a seller's perspective and actually look from a customer's angle. But in this video, we're going to try dissecting all of that because that's exactly what makes Amazon such a successful website and such a successful business and has top marks from customers and customer satisfaction year after year. It's because they are primarily focused on customers and what the customer wants. So let's jump on Amazon. I just want to give you a small explanation of what happens when actually somebody logs into Amazon, a customer logs into Amazon, and they want to purchase a product. So as you can see right here, I logged into Amazon and I typed in kitchen utensils, and I got flooded with so many different products. However, all of them kind of look the same. And this is one of the main problems that a lot of sellers don't understand. And it's a main problem that faces customers whenever they log into Amazon, no matter which marketplace you are selling in. So as you can see, all the products kind of look the same. All the main images actually look the same. So we're forcing the client to make a decision based on the price only. And that's fine. Some people are looking for something that is very good value and at a lower price, and some customers are willing to spend a little bit more for the features that they like. However, how can we identify the features that they like? So let me give you another example. As you can see here, you've got two sellers selling something similar but different at the same time. So this seller is selling for $19.99, so almost $20, and this seller is selling for almost $9 more or $10 more. However, this seller is banking on the fact that they have a cheese grater or a grater in general, a kitchen scissors. So it's a diverse set of products, whereas this seller, why are they selling for $10 more? Are they valuing their holder, like the cup, as a higher quality type of product, or as something that people want and are willing to pay a little bit more for? Well, it's obviously he or she are doing a good job because they have the Amazon Choice badge, which means their product is converting very well, their listing is converting very well, whereas this person that's selling at a much lower price with a lot more reviews, almost 1,000 reviews more, doesn't have the Amazon choice and isn't even ranked organically, they are doing a sponsored ad. So it's obvious that you need to do your research in order to figure out what are the key features that customers are looking for, and what do you need to do in order to highlight those features and get those sales and be able to sell at a higher price as well. So assuming that people are gonna want a cheese grater isn't enough. You need to do your research. To do research, you're not gonna walk around Dubai and ask people what do they like when they want to purchase a kitchen utensil set. What you can easily do is do your keyword research. So you can do your keyword research. There are a lot of softwares that you can use. I suggest that you use either Keyword Tool Dominator or Seller App to get those keywords. And you can try to figure out what people are searching for. So if they are, for example, searching for the word black kitchen utensils, then you know the color black is a very important feature. If they're searching for kitchen utensils with holder, then you know the holder is a very important feature. Pink kitchen utensils, no matter what they're searching for, you know what feature is important to them. Obviously, it takes a lot more research, but this is an easy way for you to know what people like and how you can read a little bit into your customer's mindset. Now, let's jump to psychological selling trick number 1. And we're talking about curiosity. Why is curiosity very important? Well, curiosity is more or less like, well, it's curiosity. You need to pique your customers' curiosity so that they can click on your listing and log into your listing page, and then this is where you're going to be able to convert them. So you're not able to convert anyone, and nobody's able to buy your product unless they click on your listing. So we want to make it a little bit interesting for them, and we want to pique their curiosity by transforming the main image and having them click on your listing, because that's the only way to convert a regular shopper into a paying customer. Now, psychological trick number 2, create envy. How can you create envy from customers where you don't know these people, you don't know who they are, you don't know where they're coming from, you don't know nothing about them, and you cannot communicate with them as an Amazon seller? So one of the ways to create envy is through reviews. So reviews not only give you social proof and make it seem to your customers that, well, this is a tried and true product and it's a good quality product, but it also creates envy. Think about all those Instagram photos of people that you follow, maybe your friends from school or from work, where they're sitting on a beach somewhere enjoying themselves. Does that create envy for you? Of course it does, and it makes you want to go to that particular restaurant or that particular beach or that particular location where they are having so much fun. So it's the same thing with your reviews. So make sure when you do get reviews and you ask your friends and family to leave you a few reviews, make sure you focus on the not just on the features of the product, like it's made of plastic, it's a food quality product and stuff like that. Okay, these things are great, but they do not evoke any emotion, and they don't make you as a customer feel envious, and they don't make you want to buy the product and have the same experience as somebody else. So make sure you add things like, it's so easy to use, it was such a simple thing, it took a few minutes, for example, where, inject emotions and inject trial and error, inject whatever things that make the product unique, and make sure you focus on the experience of using that product in your reviews and in your listing, of course. So you want to inject the experience so that people are envious and want to purchase your product as well. So selling on Amazon is honestly something that is constantly improving. You always need to test. There is no one-size-fits-all blueprint that you can follow. It's dependent on a lot of factors, but you need to always be trying new things in order to push your sales more and more. If you found value in this video, make sure that you click the thumbs up if you haven't already and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos that we are uploading every single week. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.